Alright, so your Daewoo microwave coming on, everything in keypad working but not heating, right? So the microwave not heating. Alright, so stick on, watch this video, and I will show you how to fix it. Alright, so the thing with this microwave is that everything in the microwave working, right? So I ran some tests earlier and the capacitor working, right? So the capacitor working, the transformer working, the magnetron working, the keypad, everything working, but it's not heating. So I ran some tests and I noticed that this connector here, this connector was the problem, right? So the connector here, it was damaged. Now this is a new connector. Alright, and this is the old connector. Alright, so you can see the connector, right? It burned. Right, you can see the plastic here and the metal part, it fused together because it was too much of heat. It looked like a person run this microwave for a good while. They run it for probably 10 minutes, I'm not sure, but for this to get hot, this microwave run for a good while. So the contact here, it get hot and it fuse and melt the plastic. Right, so now the problem was this connector. Right, so the problem was this connector, it wasn't in proper contact. Right, so it wasn't in proper contact when it plug on. So how I fix this is that I get another contact. Right, this is replaceable. So I get another contact, I cut out the wire here, I join it up and installate it very good, and everything is working. So sometimes it will be the capacitor is the problem, the transformer, the magnetron, the diode sometimes the problem, but in this case it's none of those things. It's not a keypad, it's none of those things. In this case, it was really a connector, a bad connection, right? The terminal, this was the problem. Right, so this is the very first time I come across a microwave with this problem. All the tests I run, I find no problem in all the tests I run except for this connector right here. Right, so yeah, so sometimes be like a simple thing in a microwave that go bad, I doesn't know unless I run tests like this. I didn't know this is the problem until I watch it carefully. Until I watch it carefully, then I realized that it melted and it wasn't in proper contact. So I said, let me replace it and see. And bam, all of a sudden I replace it and everything is working. It's heating back. So the microwave is heating again. Right, so I hope you understand. I hope this video was useful. I hope you know one of the reasons why it wasn't heating. And I hope you can probably learn how to fix it yourself. So, as always, thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.